Hi everybody and welcome back to Alita Cooks. Sorry I've been slacking, but we were all hit with the touch of the flu past couple of weeks, but we're all better now. Thank you for watching and checking in. Today, as promised in my last video, simple french fries in the air fryer. These taste totally like deep fried. If you follow what I do, they will come out perfect. I have the instructions written on each photo. Please follow it. I will also write the directions down below. They come out amazingly. Believe me, I love french fries, and if they did not taste and had the texture of deep fried, I would not be telling you to make them in the air fryer. These are yellow Yukon potatoes. I do not like russet, not even for deep frying. I believe those are better for baking. So there you have it. My simple, easy french fries. Fresh cut french fries in the air fryer. My voice is still a little, as you can hear, a little hoarse. But I'm back. Enjoy your french fries. Let me know how you like them, please. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great week ahead.